Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your XIAOMI OpenWear keep disconnecting. Firstly, I recommend it to check is your dual connection disabled and disable if it's not. Go to the XIAOMI Earbuds application. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the application, but if you never install it, you can skip this part because by default it's disabled. So right here in the application, you need to scroll down and go to additional settings. Right here we have dual connection and make sure that it's disabled. Next step is to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, you need to put your earbuds to the charging case and now close the case. Now your earbuds are disconnected from your phone, and then you just open the charging case and check is your earbuds okay. If soft reset didn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to also put your earbuds to the charging case, but this time do not close the case. Inside of the case we have a connection button, and you need to press and hold this connection button until the LED light on the front side start blinking orange. So press and hold. Firstly it starts blinking white. Don't worry, just enter to pairing mode. Just keep holding this button. Here we go. Now you can release your finger, and then we need to reconnect this earbuds with your phone. So open settings, and you need to go to Bluetooth. At the device list or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click Pair New Device at the top if your Android phone have this button, because not all Android phones have this button. If you have iOS, you can or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or just go back and return to the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. So you don't need to use connection button, you will see them at the device list. Just hold a second. Okay, and you need just tap on them. And we just reconnect them. We can reset Bluetooth options, but once you did it, you will remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on Apple device and then on Android. So, on your iPhone, open Settings, and then you need to go to the General. Then scroll down, and at the bottom we have Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click at this line, then click Reset, and right here you need to select Reset Network Settings, because on Apple device Bluetooth settings are inside the network settings, so we cannot only reset Bluetooth settings. Then you need to write your password and click Reset Networks, but again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. So that's it for Android. Now let's move to Android. Open Settings, and then we need to go to System, right? So scroll down, go to the System, and right here we need to again scroll down, and at the bottom we have Reset Options. Click at this line, and right here you need to select Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. And then click Reset. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!